Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty, and we'll begin with the essential controls. Mastering movement is your first step. Practice walking, sprinting, and crouching to maneuver across the map efficiently. You will aim your weapon with one button and fire with another, making precise shots crucial for success. Remember to jump over obstacles and slide around corners, giving you a tactical edge and keeping you nimble. These basic actions form the bedrock of your gameplay experience. Next, let's focus on weapon handling, a critical skill for survival. Always remember to reload your weapon during lulls in combat, ensuring you are never caught empty-handed. Aiming down your sights significantly improves accuracy, especially when targeting enemies at a distance. Quickly switching between your powerful primary weapon and a reliable secondary pistol or launcher allows for versatile combat approaches. Efficient weapon management keeps you dangerous and ready for any encounter. Now, let's talk about map awareness, a key to staying alive and winning matches. Pay close attention to your minimap. It shows enemy pings and teammate movements, offering vital information. Always use environmental cover, like walls or crates, to shield yourself from enemy fire and gain a tactical advantage. Actively listen for footsteps, reloading sounds, or enemy callouts, as these audio cues can alert you to nearby threats. High map awareness dramatically improves your combat effectiveness and survival. Moving on, remember that Call of Duty is often a team game, making objectives paramount. Prioritize completing the specific goals of each game mode, whether it is capturing a flag or defending a control point, as this directly leads to victory. Use the in-game communication tools to coordinate with your teammates, sharing crucial enemy locations or strategic movements. Supporting your squad by covering their flanks or reviving fallen allies strengthens your collective power. Teamwork truly makes the dream work in these intense battles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.